Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DUST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, once again, this thing was all over the place from starting off very, very strongly, big surge up, to falling all the way down there, to then having the last 30 minutes, good solid green candle, and working its way back upwards. But I guess this is what you signed up for when you're playing these, 3 times leverage. But the one thing, and this is what makes me laugh, people say, oh, well, Clay, charts don't work for these leveraged ETFs. Well, what a coincidence where the price has essentially bounced 3 times now in a row, right down here at basically $4, give or take a nickel or two. Bounced from there, and then once again, bounced from right there. Now, our chart's perfect? No, nothing is perfect. There's no such thing as a perfect tool, but our chart's something that should be used and put in your trader tool belt? Absolutely, and here's another example of that. So moral of the story here, besides being just a really good real-life example on the power of charts, $4, definitely a very important level of support to watch going forward. And to go along with this, as far as resistances are concerned, keep a very close eye on that resistance trend line there. That's going to be a very important level to watch going forward. And really, to keep things, to just apply the KISS method here, keep it simple, stupid, and to keep this as clear as possible as far as technical levels are concerned, that's really as simple as it gets. $4 level of support. If the price rolls back over and crashes down through there, then look for things to get that much uglier. But if the price can work its way back up to there, and I mean, it's definitely within striking distance, but if the price can work its way up there and get a high volume break of that line, then you could definitely see some very, very nice upside. Again, circling back to the whole comment about these being 3 times leveraged ETFs. So to offer up a little bit more perspective here, that's what we're looking at. We're looking at a big picture situation where this thing got destroyed and is now bouncing around here, trying to show some sorts of strength. And if the price can get up through there, I'm not saying it's shooting straight up to $15, $16 again, but there's definitely some upside room for this thing to run. But like I said, the key has got to be holding above $4 like it's continued to do, and then get a good high volume break of that trend line. So let's see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.